Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. Welcome back to another video. This week we're going to do the Stanley number 237. It's a 24-inch metal level. It is branded with the Sweetheart logo. I'm pretty stoked. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, well, let's get us a good look at this. I don't know if this is going to show up at all. Let's see if I can't zoom it in for you. I don't know if that Sweetheart logo is going to show up on there. Hopefully it does. But yeah, I'm quite excited about this one. I wanted to get this cleaned up and put on the wall as soon as possible. So what I think I'm going to do is put some penetrating oil on these screws. Whoever owned this clearly was a mason, because there's concrete down in all of them. And we got to bust that stuff loose or we'll never get those out. Ooh, it's all crunchy. Well, we'll wait on that one. Aha! Got one of them out. Damn thing just fell out. I've never taken one of these apart, so I'm not even sure. Okay, so it just slides off. Set screws go in the end. Okay, makes sense. So these are going to be kind of tricky to clean up, but I think we can do it. I'm trying to make it where you guys can see and I can still take this apart. Oh, all right. Well, that literally just fell out, so that was pretty scary. Yeah, there's a boatload of concrete in there. Alright, so I think I'm going to grab my little sanding block and sand inside here on the flats. Try and get that stuff all looking nice and fresh. For a nice flat surface, I always use my ceramic. I got an old ceramic sharpening stone. A little pro tip for you if you guys want to get something real flat. Not really a pro tip because I'm no pro, but I am using, what is this, 150? Yeah, I'm using 150, 400, and 1,000. It seems to get in there pretty good, so. Get all the little burrs off. And I'm sanding this with 1,000 grit and WD-40, in case you guys wanted to know. Whew. Well, there's that one. It's got the bubble protector in there. Oh man. Alright. So we're gonna have to go flat again, alright? Alrighty guys, well we're all done with the Stanley 723. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. I think everything came out just as I expected. Nice and clean. The brass is beautiful. The metal came out just nice. I'm quite happy with it. So, hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.